Hi there. Wanted to quickly talk a bit about Bruin's lineage abilities as well as some cross-pipeline dependencies. So here you can see a test environment for one of our test customers. So an important thing, the first thing maybe I wanted to call attention to is you can see that within the same pipeline, within the same structure, you can mix and match different platforms like Python, some transformations on Microsoft SQL Server, some stuff on Synapse, some data ingestion jobs on Ingester, some Redshift tasks, and again some Python, some stuff in Postgres, some stuff in BigQuery, and some DBT models. Mind you, this is in the same account. So Bruin acts as like a new separate layer that fits across pipelines, across teams, across use cases. And an important thing to notice here is colors on this chart represent pipelines. So the ones that are in this yellowish color are in the same pipeline, and this blue one actually comes from a separate pipeline. So you can see that we have a lineage between an asset that lives in one pipeline that depends on one that lives in another one. And this means that you can actually have assets that depend on other assets that are produced by other teams that you can still have a full lineage on, as well as having execution dependencies that waits for one another. For instance, let's say both of these assets are updated midnight. This one here will wait until the one in the other pipeline to finish before it actually executes. This gives you a lot of abilities to understand this lineage, but also make sure that you update your transformation before the other one, after the other one is finished. So I hope this helps with understanding the capabilities of Bruin. It's very important for us to make sure that Bruin works across use cases, across different pipelines, across different teams. And Bruin is multi-repo by default, multi-schedule by default. So all of these things might be coming from different projects. So you can see some of these assets come from one repo, some of those come from another one, and you can see all of them can have dependencies on each other as you need. Hope this was helpful. Have a lovely rest of your week.